So friends, when we talk about education, nowadays it is focused more toward gaining employmentship rather than developing the value-based life. So now, in context of this, especially to make value-based education as an inspirational and also encourage students to make value-based education universal and also to inculcate the value, this scheme and initiative is a very important. So now we are going to know about Prerna. So what is this Prerna? Prerna. So this is an experimental learning program. So when we talk about education policy in India, in the past it was not focusing on the value, rather it was focuses more on the just getting the degrees, diplomas and marks. The focus was more on the rote learning. So now we can see there has been erosion of the values and there is vulgarization of the culture. And also, so to address this all step, new education policy 2020 talk about value-based education, and to fulfill this goal, this Prerna initiative is going to strengthen the value-based education system in India. So let's understand about this Prerna initiative. So it is being started by the Department of School Education and Literary Ministry of Education, Government of India. So this is called Prerna. I will understand that. So what is this? This is an experimental learning program that aim to offer meaningful, unique inspiration experience to all participants, thereby empowering them with the leadership quality. So empowering them and equipping them with the leadership quality and the value-based qualities. So Prerna is driven by the strong commitment to integrate principle of Indian education system and philosophy of value-based education. So and that is also the cornerstone of National Education Policy 2020. So both on skill, modern education and also on the value system. प्रेरणा प्रोग्राम के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स को सेलेक्ट किया जाएगा जो कि होंगे क्लास 9 से 12 तक, और एक हफ्ते का रेसिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम होगा जिसके अंदर स्टूडेंट्स को बेस्ट इन क्लास टेक्नोलॉजी एंड हेरिटेज इनोवेशन के साथ प्रेरणा वैल्यू बेस्ड एजुकेशन पे जोड़ दिया जाएगा. सो बैच ऑफ 20 सेलेक्टेड स्टूडेंट, 10 बॉयज and 10 girls will attend the program every week from the various part of the country. So this is a very good initiative. आइए इसके अदर पहलुओं को समझते हैं. अगर हम बात करें करिकुलम की, जो प्रेरणा के अंदर फोकस किया गया है वो है आपके स्वाभिमान एंड विनय, शौर्य एंड साहस, परिश्रम एंड समर्पण, विविधता एंड एकता, सत्यनिष्ठा एंड सुचिता, नवाचार एंड जिज्ञासा, श्रद्धा एंड विश्वास, स्वतंत्रता एंड कर्तव्य. सो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वैल्यू है. अगर हम बात करें यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी की, प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ इंडियन डाइवर्सिटी एंड द कल्चर, these are some very important value by which a nation will not progress economically but also culturally. So this program will also, as we have discussed, will focus on Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, that is unity and integrity. So Bharat, unity and diversity, and will also embodied by the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So this has been the ancient value of India, that the India consider whole world as a family and has a cosmopolitan view of world order. So this is a day-wise program. Schedule will feature yoga, mindfulness, meditation session, followed by experimental learning, thematic sessions and on-site interesting learning activity. So this will be quite good when it's come to not just learning the bookish stuff but also learning the nature, values, culture, tradition that will benefit a student and also benefit India in terms of protecting and preserving its culture and also inculcating the values so that society not only prosper economically but also become peaceful. कुछ दूसरे फंक्शन है इस प्रेरणा इनिशिएटिव के एक्टिविटी, जैसे एंशिएंट एंड हेरिटेज साइट, इंस्पिरेशनल फिल्म स्क्रीनिंग, मिशन लाइफ क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी, टैलेंट शो को भी इंक्लूड किया गया है प्रेरणा स्कीम के अंदर, जो स्टूडेंट्स देखेंगे और मोटिवेट होंगे और नई और अच्छी वैल्यूज को इनकलकेट करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. Apart from this, student will also engage with a diverse activity, embracing indigenous knowledge system, latest state-of-the-art technology, learning from the inspirational personality. So through these values, Prerna inspire youth to become torchbearer of the developed India by 2047. So this is how the Prerna is going to make India develop by 2047. So this will actually focuses on creating peaceful, value-based and also a prosperous society. So this is all about the Prerna initiative. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो हिट करिए लाइक बटन को एंड सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल सिलेक्शन आईएएस। धन्यवाद।